I'm savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch, what was happening, bitch, I'm savage.
Okay, let's jump right into this. For the purple mix, I used Adore Perrywinkle mixed with Adore African Violet. For the blue mix, I used Kiss Tintation in Azure and Kiss Tintation in Sapphire. For the pink mix, I used Kiss Tintation Rasberry Prism and Adore Pink Rose. I used about a half a bottle of each color. So this is the wig I created using a 14, 16, 18 inch bundles, as well as a 14 inch 5x5 closure. I then started dipping the top of the wig in the purple mixture. I'm sort of eyeballing how far I want this purple to go. Since there's 3 different colors, I do want a equal amount of color on the bundles. The blue mixture was kind of difficult to do since I didn't want it to get on the purple at the top and I didn't want it to get at the bottom where the pink is supposed to be. So I double dipped the blue mixture. I added the rest of the bottle of the Sapphire as well as a dab of African Violet just to make it a little darker. I then just dipped the rest of the wig in that beautiful pink color. Y'all, do y'all see this color? It is bomb. So I went ahead and customized the wig off camera. And here she is, beautiful as ever. So I wasn't feeling the straight look, so then I just put some big bouncy wand curls on her. So this is how she came out. I hope you guys love it. I know I do. I can't wait to put her on. That will probably be in another video. I'm not so sure right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming up. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you will be notified when I post my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in another video. Mwah.